Zoom Out, a project about children's literature and inequalities. There is a growing debate about how children's literature reproduces inequalities, such as sexism or racism, how it represents social groups, and how it deals with social justice issues. Sometimes, books are rewritten or removed from the shelves because they might perpetuate inequality. In contrast, the project Zoom Out promotes a conversation about inequality in children's literature, while also fostering a reflection on how these books can help us discuss inequality in the classroom. The goal is to encourage a critical dialogue based on the books we read. Books that can become a refuge in a context we do not understand. Boats that can allow us to explore other realities. Mirrors that offer different reflections. Or magic birds that fly us to other possible worlds. The objective of Zoom Out is to develop educational resources to encourage a critical perspective of children's books from an intersectional approach, considering how different axes of inequality intersect. To achieve this, a university, 3 associations, 4 schools, and 2 cooperatives from 4 EU countries are collaborating within the framework of an Erasmus Plus project. We start with 2 working sessions with teachers from the participating schools and with students from the university degree in primary education to share experiences, resources, and perspectives on literature and inequality. With primary school students, we focus on identity, understanding it in a complex and intersectional way, and reflect on how inequalities are present in the stories they read. Based on this dialogue with teachers and students, we collaboratively develop various educational resources grouped in a toolbox. All these materials are completed by a handbook where we explain our approach to inequalities and literature. Finally, we offer training and dissemination activities to help spread the ideas of the project. Do you want to join us on this journey?